it is 8 o'clock and it is the 3rd, and we are going to announce the winners. Turn that volume down. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and have that done. This be a short little broadcast, and we're going to come and do regular broadcasts here too, and we're going to start doing Q&As, questions and answers, and we'll do it live. It'd be nice to interact with everybody. We have now reached 4,250 something plus followers, so that is pretty cool. We invite everybody to be part of that. And we're going to start scheduling live broadcasts maybe once or twice a week, and we're going to bring up subjects. You as a viewer, messenger, you just message us on Facebook and ask the questions, and we can at that point go ahead and try to build a little 10-minute, 15-minute, 20-minute live show around it, answer questions and so on and so forth. So right now we're going to go ahead and start sharing out about 10 t-shirts, and this is the way this works, so everybody knows. We announced that we were going to do this for our first 100 YouTube subscribers. So that's what we're going to do, and we assume a few of you have actually subscribed to our YouTube channel, and if you haven't, you should go there and subscribe, because you get updates, and we're going to bring up a lot of different subjects around things in life in Philippines, marriage, dating, and all kinds of stuff. So we're going to try to give you what the answers you need, and we're going to try to work together with you guys, and we need some input from the audience as well. And if you have comments or suggestions, just feel free to send that to us at any time. All right, honey, let's start. We have actually already prepared the 100 plus tickets here, and we're gonna shake this thing up.
Shake it.
And obviously also, let me say this before we do this. We have in many instances not the full name. So if you hear that your screen name is announced, you need to contact us, and you can do that either on Facebook or on
email
or in the comment section on our YouTube channel as well. If you pick the t-shirt video, watch it and comment there. And if you're the winner, we would like to get in touch with you. Number one, we need to know exactly what size we're going to send to you. If there is any preferred color, we probably just going to send, if you tell us your size, we'll do the pick of the color. If you have a preferred one, if we have it in stock, we will try to accommodate that.
Oh, there's one. Say hello, Miss Lizelle.
Hi, Lizelle.
Hi, Miss Lizelle.
How are you doing? All right, let's go ahead and do that. So why don't you, honey, start picking
Just shake it.
numbers out of here, or names.
So the first winner is is Thomas Oaks.
Tom Oaks.
Thomas Oaks.
All right, so we'll put
Mr.
that.
Thomas Oaks, congratulations. That's the first winner.
All right.
Then the second winner is Romel Dison.
Romel, that was the second male.
Mr. Romel Dison. That's our second winner.
All right.
Then the third winner is Steve Taylor.
All right. Steve
Mr.
Taylor.
Steve Taylor. That's our third winner. Then shake it more.
All right. You go ahead.
Mr. Martin.
Oh, Martin. Rude and Love.
Yeah.
Okay.
Congratulations, sir. That's our fourth winner, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and the fifth winner is Aiko Padilla. Congratulations, Miss Aiko or Mrs. or Miss Aiko Padilla. Congratulations.
All right.
Then,
4 more, and then we're done with the drawing.
so how many na? 5. This is the 6th.
Number 6.
Number 6. The name of the animals.
Oh, this is actually a YouTube channel, I believe,
Yeah.
that subscribed to us. Fishing with
Papaw
Papaw
Dave.
Dave.
Congratulations.
All right, so we'll send a T-shirt. Just get in touch
Fishing
with.
with Papaw Dave. That's the 6th.
Number 6, yeah.
Number 6. This one is number 7.
Right.
Number 7 winner is
Ishkabibble TV.
yeah, Ishkabi Bible
That is
TV.
actually another YouTube channel. All right.
So congratulations to Ishka Bible TV. That's their screen name. So this one is Web 48.
Web 48.
Yep.
That is another YouTube channel, I believe.
Yeah.
But we'll check that out.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you pick one.
Now you go ahead and pick them on. You're the,
So this one is
you're
number
the
9.
lotto drawing machine.
So this is number 9, right?
Yes.
Congratulations to Santosh Kumar.
Santos, you won a T-shirt.
You want a T-shirt, Mr. Santosh Kumar.
All right.
Then one more left. Oh, congratulations, Anders Jensen.
Anders Jansen.
You want a T-shirt.
1,
So
2,
I
3,
think,
4, 5. That concludes that. So,
yeah, so that's the winner, 10 winner.
all right. So that concludes the drawing for tonight. And we have our 10 winners.
Yeah.
We will put this video up on YouTube as well, so you can come back and revisit. And we'll go from there. And for tonight, anybody out there that have any questions to us right now, feel free to
Feel free to ask.
ask, and you can always message us in private. Even some of you here, let me repeat that again. The names we have drawn tonight, most of you, we don't have an address. So,
Yeah.
and we definitely want to send out. Hello, Virgie. And we have Honey Altar.
Yeah, hi, Miss Honey Altar.
I hope I pronounced this right. Sing Angel is here.
Sing Angel, hello.
And
Hello po.
Liciel.
Lisel Dahil Espacio.
Yeah. So, nice to have you here. And for tonight, we will conclude this little live feed. But we are going to, like I said in the beginning here, we are going to have live feeds, continuous live feeds, and we'd like an input from our viewers. And if you have questions, whether they be dating, marriage, we also have thought about maybe, there's a lot of dating sites out there. A lot of them cost a lot of money, especially for the men that are on the sites. And we are actually thinking of putting up a free site. I don't know what you guys think about that. Would that be something that would be interesting for you guys? If that is so, contact us and do it in the comment section or in private messaging. That'd be great. For tonight, thank you for watching.
There's more.
There is more people coming online now.
Miss
Bilalon
Bilalon Marites.
Marites.
Hello.
All right. So that concludes for tonight, guys. God bless. Send us a question, and we are always here to try to answer and do our best to support our followers.
Yeah.
God bless.